Well, it's early on Saturday morning. This might be my last time out fishing. I just got started here. The sun's just getting up. It's very cold, and as become my custom, I'm starting off with an ice pike. And he's really swallowed this lure, so I'm going to have to turn the camera off in order to get him out. There we go. That's not a bad fit. Well, I've been trolling with a believer, and I've got something fairly large on. All by myself. It's windy. Trying to work the camera and the fish. Probably the net. There he is. I had to cut the line for him, but that's not a bad pike for probably my last time fishing in October. Well, it's Saturday morning. I've been out fishing for a couple hours. Been fishing for pike today. I caught a few. Just found out the batteries were dead in my camera. So as soon as I would turn the camera on, it would turn off. So I'm not sure whether or not any of it's on tape. But that's probably going to be it for me. It's very, very cold, very, very windy in the areas I want to fish in. And as you can see, the boat's now swinging into the sun. So I'll probably be calling this riding off into the sunset for my fishing season for this year. So well, maybe we'll see ice fishing, if not in the spring. Have a good one.